Hey guys, this is Abhijit. You are watching Raw Galaxy, and in this video, we are going to install VS Code or Code Server into our Android device. Actually, we are doing this video again, and we are doing this video again because the method I showed you in the previous video is no more profitable. Also, Node has been upgraded, but Code Server doesn't support the latest version of Node, so there are some problems installing it that way. So that is why we are back with a new video and a new method. In this method, we will first install Ubuntu on our phone, and after that we will be installing the code server package over there. Okay, so now let us start with the procedure without wasting any more of your precious time. Firstly, we will need an APK called Termux, which is available on the Play Store, or you can download the latest version from their official website given in the description box below. So open Termux in the phone and follow the instructions given in the video. We will start by updating all pre-installed packages on Termux. For this, we will use the pkg update and pkg upgrade command. And as soon as this command finishes its work, we will install some new packages. These packages are necessary to install Ubuntu on our phone. For this, we will use the command which is displayed on your screen. After this, we will use the --r command. And now we need to fetch the GitHub repository of Ubuntu onto our Termux. For this, we will use the following command with the link of that repository. Now we will run the file which was just fetched from the GitHub repository. For this, we will use bash ubuntu.sh. Congrats guys, you just installed Ubuntu on your phone. We can now run this Ubuntu using the command /start-ubuntu.sh. Now as you can see, we are inside our Ubuntu. So from now onwards, we will be installing code server here. Once more, we are fetching files from the code server's GitHub repository. You don't need to worry about any of these commands. All these commands are given in the description box below. Just go and copy paste from there. And now we will extract the files which were just fetched from the code server's GitHub repository. Again, I am repeating that you do not need to type these commands manually. Just go to description box and copy paste these commands from there. After the extraction, we'll move into the newly made folder. We can do this by using a cd command followed by the name of the folder which was just created. Now we will again go to a subfolder called bin, and we can see the files there using the ls command. Here we can see that there is our code server file which we will need to run every time we need to start the code server or to use the code server application. We can run the file using /code server, but as we can see there is an error. And this error is because we need to download some node modules which was there in the code server package. For that, we will first install nodejs, then we can check it by using the npm-v or node-v command. Now we will run npm I to install those node modules. These will take some time according to your internet speed. Now we can run our code server file successfully without any error. But as you can see, this is asking for a password which is stored in the config.yaml file. To update or remove the password, we will need to edit a file called config.yaml. For that, we will move back to the root directory. From there, we will move into a hidden folder called .config. Now, we will again move into a subfolder namely code server. And we can see here our file config.yaml. For editing this file, we will install a text editor inside Ubuntu which is called Nano. For that, we will run apt install nano, and as soon as the editor is installed, we will run nano space config.yaml to open the file inside Nano. From here, you can change your password or just set the authentication type to none to remove the password authentication. If you are using a password, you do not need to include the double quotes or single quotes. From now, I am letting it set to default and not changing anything. Once you are done setting or updating your password, just type Ctrl S to save the file and Ctrl X to move back from the editor. And now we are all set to run the code server file, so we'll move back to the root folder. Then from there, we will move back to the code server folder, and in there we'll move back to the bin folder, and we can now run the code server file successfully without any errors. Also, we know the password of our code server, so just go to your browser, type localhost 8080, and you can use a password the way you wish. You can also install extensions in here, you can change the themes, or you can say you can almost use it the way you used it on your desktop computer or your laptop or anything else. If you like the video, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified of every new videos.